50 Kite Street is located in the very stylish estate called Hybrid by Mosaic. And what I really love about this property is that obviously it's contemporary and it's luxurious, but it also sits on an incredible relaxing bushland setting of 1,598 square metres. So it's really hard not to get caught up in the tranquility when you're here, but also it's only 12 kilometres away from the Brisbane CBD. Just 2.5 years old, this property has been innovatively created. Guided by natural and sustainable design principles, you'll find expansive windows that look out to the green leafy setting and a really nice flow of indoor-outdoor spaces. So I think you're always going to find you've got optimal light, good ventilation, and more importantly, some great spaces to entertain friends and family and enjoy the green leafy setting and also the Queensland climate and lifestyle. For the uninitiated, Mosaic is one of Queensland's most awarded and respected property developers, and Upper Kedron is fast becoming one of Brisbane's most sought after new addresses.